Do you believe in magic? You should, because Magic Studio by Canva is here. So yes, Canva created Magic Studio, where all the best AI tools that they have will be in one place. And I want to start with the 3 great features. Let's start with Magic Switch. This is a great AI tool where you can reformat any design that you want and you can translate it to any language that you want as well. So let's start there. You're going to click on Magic Switch. As soon as you do, you're going to see a pre-created presentation by Canva. And on top of it, you're going to see a button that says Magic Switch. Tap there. As soon as you do, you're going to see several options. You can translate it, you can transform it in any other doc, and you can resize the presentation if you want to. So let's first start with transform this document. And then it says several options. You can transform it into a poem, song lyrics, email, summarize it, blog post, whatever you want. Let's click on email. So as soon as you do, you're going to see that by clicking on email, the option, you wait a few seconds, and in another window, it appears the email, which is the repurposing of that presentation into an email. And just clicking right there, that's it. It's really cool. So you see it, and if you want to change a few things, just use Magic Write to change it, to reformat it, so it looks more concise because you're sending it as an email. Then let's say you want to try it as a blog post. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to click on Magic Switch. You're going to look into transform the document. You choose blog post. As soon as you do, it will create in a few seconds the blog post from the presentation that you have. Okay, you do that, and you're going to see how easy it is to repurpose content without having anything else, without going to another tool. Everything is inside of Canva. Then let's say that you want to translate all this information, your email or your presentation or your blog post, whatever you want to translate it to another language. Just click on translate, click the language that you want, and that's it. Nothing else. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that amazing? And let's say that you want to resize it. You can also do that by clicking again on Magic Switch. Just choose the size that you want, and that's it. It's amazing. Let's go to the next one. The second one is my favorite. It's called Magic Media. Remember what I told you can do in Canva text to image? Well, now you can do text to video. Yes, it's amazing. So you're going to go there, click on Magic Media, and as soon as you do, you're going to have a black box. You're going to go to that black box and write how you want your video to be. Describe it so this AI tool can create it for you. So I wrote down, create a video of a business owner inside of a yellow car sitting on the beach. So it took about a few seconds, and it generated it for me, and here it goes. You see, it's really cool. It's very realistic. And if you think about it, if you create YouTube videos, short form, whatever it is that you're creating on video, you can use this as B-roll. You can just go here inside of Canva and create any B-roll that you want to offer more context to your videos, to your content, and it's amazing. So after you do that, you click generate because you're seeing it. And then if you want to have another version, you can click generate again until it creates the version that you want inside of Magic Media. One thing, you have 50 credits per month. Once you're expired, you have to wait until it's relaunched again. So every video is 1 credit. But isn't this amazing? With text, you create videos, which means you don't have to go to another platform to look for B-roll. You can do it all inside of Canva. This saves so much time. Let's go to the third one. So the third one is called Magic Expand, and honestly, it surprised me. So let's try it out. You're gonna go and click try Magic Expand. I select this picture of myself. I'm gonna put it right over here. As soon as you do, you're gonna go to that star and you're gonna select Magic Expand. After you do that, then you're going to have on the left side to select a size. So you can choose the whole page, 1-on-1, any other sizes that you want, select it. I wanted to choose whole page to see how this expand feature can work. So I click there, and as soon as I did, it gave me several options of a different background inside of this picture. Because my house doesn't look like that. This is all created by AI. I don't have that in the background. If you can see the old picture right over here, and this is the new one, they're completely different. Not only that, it gives you several options. So imagine if you as a business owner, as a coach, took a picture, right? Or the photographer took a nice picture of yourself, but you don't like the background, or you just want to repurpose it and use it in another place and you don't want it to look exactly like the other picture. You use this AI tool and it will create a different background for any picture that you want and that you select. Isn't that incredible? Like, isn't that crazy how the power of AI is helping you to be more productive, to be more organized, and to change things up without you thinking, oh, I need to hire, a photographer or graphic designer to change the background. Now, as a business owner or with your team, you can make these things happen. As always, I'm here to simplify your life, to help you understand what are the best tools you can use, what are the best ways you can build your brand, so you can build trust, you can build your authority, but keeping it simple. So any other questions that you have, let me know. On the next video, I'll keep sharing more about what Magic Studio has inside for you. I didn't want to overwhelm you with all the options, but I believe these 3 features will be very useful for you to start using them right now and think in the future, how else can you keep evolving with AI? How else it can simplify your life? I hope you enjoyed this video. I honestly enjoyed describing it to you, and I'm going to start using them right now. Let me know which were your favorite ones. Magic Switch, Magic Design, or Magic Medium. Let me know.